Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.6 on AlmaLinux 9. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.6. If you are unable to find the version, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system RHL or Oracle Linux. Then select the version. I am on AlmaLinux 9. So select Red Hat or Oracle Linux 9 x86 64-bit. See, once we selected these options, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle. Click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 907 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untap the star file and we will install RPM packages. Okay, this will take time. I am going to pause this video. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. ls. See here we have the MySQL Server tar file. We have to untar it. tar-xf. Then MySQL. Then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. To install, we have to execute them to install MySQL Server 8.4.6. Control A. Sudo rpm-ivh -nodeps star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Control L. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL d. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is not started. Suppose if you give MySQL without D, it won't work. So we have to give D. Okay, Control A. Now start the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl start MySQL d. Now check the status. See, MySQL Server is started 2 seconds ago. We took it. Control A. Now connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of any MySQL user account. Even we don't have the password of root account, but we can get the MySQL root user temporary password by going to /var log mysqld.log grep password. We have to run this with sudo. See, we got the MySQL root user temporary password. See, this is the temporary password. This is not same for you. Okay, now set MySQL root account permanent password. Sudo MySQL _secure installation. Then copy this one and paste it. Now set the password for root account. Confirm the same. I don't want to change again. No. Remove anonymous users. Yes. Is allow root login? No. Remove test database and access to it. Yes. Reload privileges. Yes. All done. So we have successfully set the password for MySQL root account. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.4.6. This is the version. You can also get the same by running select version. You see, we got the same. Okay, now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create database. Create database. Show databases. See, these are the. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. Now verify list of tables in this database. Show tables. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create table. See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select. See, we got the list of the users. These are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. Exit MySQL-u. New username is David-p. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, that is the password. So provide it. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. So we have to grant the privileges. Now we see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server 8.4.6 on AlmaLinux. Okay, sudo systemctl stop MySQL d. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is inactive or dead. We have stopped it 6 seconds ago. Even we can verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL d. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is started 3 seconds ago. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart MySQL d. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is restarted 1 second ago. Okay. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using most popular tools like MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. Those are the most popular tools. See, here I have already installed dbeaver. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install both dbeaver, MySQL Workbench on AlmaLinux ls. So we have successfully installed MySQL server 8.4.6 on AlmaLinux 9. So these files are not required anymore, so remove them. To clear the space, rm star.rpm. This will delete all rpm packages from the current directory. ls, remove this one also. Rm MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.4.6 on AlmaLinux 9. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.